Good morning. Welcome to Algebra lesson. All right. If you look at your document, it should look something like this. All right. The calculations now are a bit more complex. You need to do a little bit more now to figure out what that missing number is. Again, we're going to do the same strategy. We're going to use the number square, and I'm going to show you how that works. Okay. So we have, pop it on its own, 13 minus something equals 15 minus 7. All right. Again, we're going to use what we already know, and we're going to calculate one side of the equation. All right. We're going to go ahead and do this side first. 15 take away 7. All right. I could use the number square to do that calculation, but I know myself that 15 take away 7 is 8. All right. So my next line, (15 take away 7) equals 8. All right. And now we need to figure out what this is here. Okay. So now the equation is this. Again, we're going to use what we already know. We have 13 and we have 8. We need to find the difference between 8 and 13 to figure out what that missing number is. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use number square. So we have 8 and 13. To figure out that missing number, all I'm going to do is start from 8 and count up to 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that missing number is 5. Moving on to our next one. We've got 22 minus something equals 23 minus 15. Again, we're going to use what we already know, and we're going to do one side first, right? (23 minus 15). Again, I could use the number square. In fact, let's go ahead and do that. 23 minus 15. So I've got 23 and 15. The difference between that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 23 minus 15 equals 8, right? And now we've got 22 minus something equals 8. Okay, again, use what you already know. We've got 22 and we've got 8. (22) and 8. If we count up the difference, that's going to give us our missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, our missing number is 14. Right? I'm going to go ahead and do one more example. We have something. So we have something minus 3 equals 18 minus 9. Again, we're going to use what we do know. We're going to do one side first. 18 minus 9, I know myself, 18 minus 9 is 9. And we've got something minus 3 equals 9. Right? Again, we're going to use what we already know. 9 and 3. So we've got 9 and we've got 3. So if I calculate the difference between these numbers, I should find my missing number. So from 3, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I've got 6 minus 3 equals 9. Alright, hands up if you think that's correct. Right, the answer is no. Okay, because 6 take away 3 is 3. Right. In this instance, you need to look at the answer that you've written down and just figure out, does that make sense? Okay. So we've got something minus 3 equals 9. So it's got to be something bigger than 9 because we are taking away 3 from it. Alright. So essentially you need to start from 9 and add on 3 to it to get that missing number, because it's something that loses 3, which equals 9. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do that again. Start at 9. So it's something that loses 3, which equals to 9. So we're going to start from 9 and then add on 3, which should give us our missing number. 1, 2, 3. Right? 12. Okay, so it's 12 minus 3 equals 9. And I can double check that by looking at the square. Start from 12, go down 3, and I'm on 9. Boys, girls, it is a bit tricky. Just double check your answers, take your time, and good luck, and ask me if any questions are a bit tricky. Just let me know, okay? Good luck with that, and don't forget to turn in your work, all right?